Hey guys, welcome back to a new stream. It's me, Yoksh. And day 24? Yeah, day 24.しないだんだんだんでI can do that. Okay, まあいっか。I guess I start. Oh, yeah. Should turn off this. Oh, hey. Steve. Steve. Mama, why is it so cold? Wait. だよね。Steve, my friend. Roshogolla. रसगुल्ला याद किया याद कर रहा है मुझे Rashogola. Always do that. The wrong window. Windows. Defender. Defenders. Deaf. Are you deaf? Defender. Causes defender. Windows defender. Mama. Hi. Hamid. Windows defender. What was I doing? Oh, I have no idea. My stomach. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Just remembered. Hi. We were doing the loops. Let's do some loops. Loopy. 1, 2, 3, 4, Pedro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was here, right? だよね. Hi. Let's start. Actually, I read till here, I guess. Let's just read it again, Yeah, we can read it again. Yeah. Loops. While in for. We often need to repeat actions. For example, outputting goods from a list one after another, or just running the same code for each number from 1 to 10. Loops are a way to repeat the same code multiple times. This we can ignore. For into a loop over object properties, and for and iterables for looping over arrays and iterables. Bruh. It's the man. The while loop. The while loop has the following syntax: while, condition, code, so-called loop body. While the condition is true, the code from the loop body is executed. For instance, the loop below outputs I, while I is less than 3. So initially I is 0. The while loop is gonna run like until it satisfies this. As long as it's satisfying the condition, it's gonna keep running. Okay. As a single execution of the loop body is called an iteration. The loop in the example above makes 3 iterations: 0, 1, 2, 3 stops. Cause yeah, that's what our condition is. That's I don't know. Well, what's and then is wrong. Any expression or variable can be loop condition, not just comparison. The condition is evaluated and converted to a boolean by a while. For instance, a shorter way to write while I not equal to 0 is while 0, while I, until I is not equal to 0. So like I When I becomes 0, the condition becomes falsy and the loop stops. My curly braces are required for a single line body. If the loop body has a single statement, we can omit the curly braces. Are not required. Okay. Let while alert first is 3, then 2, 1. When it becomes 0, like stop, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay. Okay. The do while loop. The condition check can be moved below to the loop body from the do while syntax. The condition check can be moved below the loop body using the do while syntax. Do, loop body, and while condition. The loop will execute the body, then check the condition, and while it's true, it executes it again and again. For example, let I is this and do alert. I've already written all this, so I don't have this repeating it. So let I is 0, so do 0, 1, 2 until 2, 1, 2, stop. Stop there. Step there. So this form of syntax should only be used when you want the body of the loop to execute at least once, regardless of the condition being true. Usually the other form is preferred. While. Okay. This once regards of a condition being true. The for loop. The for loop is more complex, but it's also the most commonly used loop. It looks like this: for, begin, condition, step 4, the code body, loop body, code block, whatever. Let's learn the meaning of these parts by example. Let's learn the meaning of these parts by example. The loop below runs alert for I from 0 up to, but not including 3. Got that? 0 until it's less than 3 I plus plus 0 1 2 stops 0 1 2 stop. Let's examine the 4 statement part by part. Begin. Let I is equal to 0 executes once upon entering the loop. Condition checked before every loop iteration. If false, the loop stops. Body alert I runs again and again while the condition is true. It's gonna run. Run. Oh, not true. Okay, I stop like that. Step I plus plus executes after the body. Executes after the body on each iteration. Like that. Yo, I lost. Yeah. $818. Dang, boy. What were you doing? Are you sure you made the resolution to earn or lose money? Lose $1,000 a week? Dang it. Not show off your money here. Yo, Nepali. Yo, Nepali man. He ain't showing off. He's just telling. It's you who is poor. You're the one. Bimbo. Mazushito. Bimbo no yaro. The general loop algorithm works like this. Run, begin. If condition runs the body and run the step. Okay, so okay, code begins. Condition, if condition, okay. False. Okay, yeah, actually, yeah, that is false, I know. Like it satisfies the condition, so yeah, run the body and you update it. Run the step, we do that. My New Year resolution is to lose 1K per month. Good one. That's a good one. Damn, you are poor and failed. I'm not going to say you are rich. Yes, I'm broke. How the hell are you broke? You're you have 1K to lose. Damn. You can do so much with 1K. The general loop algorithm works like this. Run, begin, if condition, run body, run step. If condition, run body, run step. If condition, run body, run step. This is begin. That is begin, executes one. That is begin, executes once, and then it iterates. After each condition test, a body and step are executed. That is begin, executes once, and then it iterates. After each condition test, body and step are executed. If you are new to loops, it could have to go back to the example and reproduce it. How it runs step by step on a piece of paper. Here's how exactly what happens in our case. I need a new strategy, but it ain't working. Yeah, you do, but it ain't working. Go back to the older strategy that was working. If you were making money, if you were getting profit, stick to your old tricks. It's not fun to lose money. Mama, just kill the man. I killed the man inside me. Actually, tomorrow I will upload my first Japanese video and field. Ahmed from Nepal. Yeah, you guys can roast me tomorrow. Yeah, just work hard, bro. Aye, so true. Let I 0 if then alert. Fi alert. Fi alert, and then run the step. Hi desene. So desene. Sorry. Inline variable declaration. Here's the counter variable I declared right in the loop. This is called inline variable declaration. Such variables are visible only inside the loop. For let I 0 this alert. I've done it. I've done this part yesterday. Just it's already written away, so that's why I'm just reading it. Instead of defining a variable, we could use an existing one. I0 for I. It's a kid's thing. Skipping parts. Any part for can be skipped. Any part of for can be skipped. For example, use an existing variable. Any part can be skipped. For example, we can omit begin. For example, we can omit begin if we don't need to do anything at the loop start. Let I0. We have I declared and assigned. Bro, watching your stream all day. That's what you call hard work. Yo, he's working, he's losing money, not like you. Leaving notifications on some other person's streams that you are streaming. And when somebody goes to your streams, you're like, I cannot concentrate. Fuck it, man. Nobody is going to your streams now. Let I is 0. We have I already declared and assigned. For I, we can omit at skipping paths. So I is this, no need for begin. My alert I is 0, 1, 2. We can also remove this step part. Let I is 0. This and this. So alert I plus plus. This makes the loop identical to while. We can actually remove everything, creating an infinite loop. I'm actually losing money, but what are you doing, Hamid Sensei? Hamid from Nepal. What are you doing? For repeats without limits. Please note that the two for semicolons must be present, otherwise there would be a syntax error. This makes it like that. While loop. Breaking the loop. Normally a loop exists when its condition is breaking the loop. Normally a loop exists when its condition becomes falsy, but we can force the exit at any time using the special break directive. For example, the loop below asks the user for a series of numbers breaking when no number is entered. Okay, so we are prompting. Like the prompt returns whatever, like no matter what's being entered by the user here, the prompt will always return a string. So by using this, we turn the string to a number. Okay, it's just like number, capital N, number function. So either you can use that or this, and that this thing that we get in string, it it gets converted into a number and then gets assigned to variable that we have defined over here. So yeah, I'm out here sacrificing my sleep, studying day and night, Japanese entry and coding, all that kid stuffs. It's 2 a.m. right now in Nepal. Damn. Oh, nice. So if the value, so if it's not a value, means if it's not a number, because we are getting a number here. So if it's not a number, if it's not a value, then we just break like that. Okay, so some no, like good, like if it's null, boom, no need, boom, not a value. Okay, mama. The break directive is activated at the line asterisk, at here. If the user enters empty line or cancels the input, it stops the loop immediately, passing control to the first line after the loop, namely alert. Actually, I wanna see. Well, sure. Type conversions and stringifying. No, numberifying. What about numbers? Numeric conversion. Not a number. Yeah, it returns not a number. Oh, dayone, bitch. So that we can have. But as we type this, it's like, fuck off. Not a number. Fuck off. Namely alert. The combination infinite loop. It's infinite loop, okay? That's because the condition is true. So this while loop will run infinitely. Because it's satisfying the condition. So it's like, oh, okay, I will just run. Then it's like, yo, you need to stop, bro. What the hell are you doing? Like, okay. Yeah. He stops. Like, okay. Okay, sir. The combination infinite loop plus break as needed. If great for situations when the loop's condition must be checked, not in the beginning or end of the loop, but in the middle or even in several places of its body. Body desu ne. Like, break the loop. I have it written over here, so I don't need to write it. Here. Continue to the next iteration. The continue directive. Why am I saying? The continue directive is a lighter version of break. It doesn't stop the whole loop. Instead, it stops the current iteration and forces the loop to start a new one if the condition allows it. If we can use it if we are done with the current iteration and would like to move on to the next one. The loop below users continue to output only odd numbers. So what is doing here? That's all, we initialize a variable here. That's our condition, and that's the step. That's our whole code. So what it's doing, it's printing I, which is like from 0 to 10. But here we have a condition, which is like, if I gets if the remainder of I, it means like remainder. So 0, if the remainder of this thing is equal to 0, then we continue. Continue means like, off, skip, not allowed, no, go like that. Imagine like a bodyguard at the bar. He's checking your IDs, and if you're not 18, you're like, fuck off, not allowed, go. Go. For even values I, so it's like even values are being skipped and only the odd ones are being printed over here. printed, I mean, shown alert. You should see an alert over here. Yoksh is learning. She What do you mean? I'm just making up stories. Yo, my hands are too cold. My fingers are freezing to type anything. For even values of I, though it's written over here, I already did it. For even values, okay, that's bothering. For even values of I, the continue directive stops executing the body and passes control to the next iteration of 4 with the next number. Okay, so the alert is called for odd values. Called for odd values. The condition directive helps decrease nesting. A loop that shows odd values could look like this. Like this, we can have a, it's the same thing, we can have a if condition inside a loop, so it's performing the same task. Like we enter the loop and we just check the if condition. Is it if statement? What you call this? If statement? Yeah. That's the statement. What the hell is this? That's also a statement, I guess. Yeah, we check the if. So if it satisfies the condition, then this code is being executed. Otherwise, like, we don't have anything else here. So yeah, go, fine, like that. Yeah, I mean, it moves on to the next step, like this, 5 3 9 7. From a technical point of view, this is identical to the example above. As I said, surely we can just wrap the code if and surely we can just wrap the code in a if block instead of using continue. We can do this, but as a side effect, this is created one more level of nesting. So that's like we have nested it. Nest inside the nest. Door inside the door. Not good. The alert call inside the curly braces. If the code inside of if is longer than a few lines, this may decrease the overall readability. Then you can do it. I think it's a little hard to read. So like, yeah, we ain't doing that. Okay. Yeah, I was here, I think, last time. Maybe I was here. Oh no, I read till here. Please, no, break continue to the right side of. Okay, like, it's not allowed. Please note that syntax constructs that are not expressions cannot be used with the ternary operator. If this one, okay, like this, you cannot use continue because ternary operator needs to, like, it only works with statements. And this is not a statement. What is it then? In particular, is directives such as, although these are directives, okay, and not statements, aren't allowed there. For example, if we take this code, I greater than 5, and we alert it, and else we continue, and rewrite it as a question mark. If the I is greater than 5, then it's being, yeah, the alert is shown, and otherwise, what am I doing? Tell your hands to work hard. but they only works hard for one thing. And rewrite is using a question mark. It stops working there. A syntax error. Continue isn't allowed here. This is just another reason not to use the question mark operator instead of if labels for break or continue. But sometimes we need to break out from multiple nested loops at once. For example, in the code below, we loop over I, then we are nesting another loop inside that loop. Yeah, it's called nesting. Door inside a door. Yeah, is it right? Yeah, that's a door. Inside of it we have another door. That's where we have the masala. The real thing. Sometimes we need to break out from multiple nested loops at once. Shut up. For example, in the code below, we loop over I and J, promoting for coordinates, prompting for coordinates. So there's like I, when I is 0, it'll like, okay, it's the first iteration when I is 0 initially, and then for that 0i, this is gonna run like 3 times. 0 1 2, so 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 2, like that, then it becomes 1. Like its 3 iterations are completed for this thing, for this loop. For this 4, it's only the first one. Then the i's value becomes 1 because of this step it's increased. Wow, why am I explaining this? Okay, just bear with me. Sorry. So it's 1 1 0 1 1 1 2, boom. 2 2 0 2 1 2 2, boom. Okay, no, not executing. Fuck off like that. Sorry. Nah, okay, you saw that. Don't you have that? I think it's just stupid. We need a way to stop the process we need a way to stop the process if the user cancels the input. Okay, yeah. Bro, I'm canceling it. Bro, what the fuck? Like that. Bro, stop like that. But it still keeps going. So we don't want that. So we need a way to stop the process if the user cancels the input. The ordinary break after input would only break the inner loop, and it's gonna only break the inner loop. That's not sufficient. Labels comes to the rescue. A label is identified with a colon before a loop. That's a new concept. Yeah, that's a new concept for me. The break, like what's it saying? Like if we had a if clause here, we said, like, if this is the condition, if the prompt or input is empty or cancel, break. So if we're gonna write that break over here, it's only gonna break the loop, like this loop inside of this loop, this for loop. but this will still keep considering that. So yeah, we like, if somebody is canceling the thing, we just want to get out of this whole thing. That's what we want. So for that we can use Tadaima. Oh god, the hand. It's time to use my hands. It's time to use my fingers. So yeah, a label, a label is an identifier with a colon. A label is identified with a colon before a loop. The break, a label name. So statement in the loop below breaks out of the label. So break the outer, that's the label here. So we gave a label over here. I think we can name the label anything. Hi, os, Taiga-san os. In the code above, break outer, So if an empty string are cancelled, then break out of both of the loops. So it's gonna break. Okay, that was a os. Yeah, if an empty string are cancelled, okay, then it's break out of both of the loops. Did you sleep today? Yeah, still awake. So in the code above, break outer looks upwards for the label named outer. So break outer looks for the, it's gonna look for this. So outer, which means all of this thing is inside of this, I guess. Looks upwards for the label named outer and breaks out of that loop. So the control goes straight from this line to alert done to this. Okay, so like this task will be terminated. Like loop terminate, you know what I am. And the control will be handed down to this thing, this code line, and then this will execute. Nya, a ver, terito, nya. क्या अश्लील हरकतें कर रहा भाई तू? ओवरसाइट हुआ है. Okay, yeah. The code is gonna run like 2 times is fine. until is that ma should be I until 3 and then 2 I plus plus and then we're gonna have another Hamid like person here who's gonna do the same thing. Oh mama. Oh. Who writes this loop? Yeah, alerts, we don't like alerts. Console or ma ikana. Oh wait a minute, we can prompt. We are prompting things. What the hell am I doing? Gakku ni shitakaru no de bye. Yeah, bye. Gakku no shitakaru no de. Oh, you have to go to school, man. Gakku no preparations. Is it like homework or are you preparing to go to school? I guess. Yeah. What's this? Okay. Values at coordinations. Daddy. Daddy? Oh, sorry. J this. I this. J this. This. Anjomai. Okay. We'll have alert like this. We'll just my alert is fine. Done. Dumb bitch. First we'll run this. I know 1, 2, 3 done batch. Ignore that. 1, 2, 2. Okay, like this. What did it do? Like for 1. Yeah, 1, 1, 0 like that. Okay, so that's the normal thing over, and then we have what you call the thing? Labels? My label, okay. And okay. Outer label. I think you can call it anything you want, whatever you want. Unlike the stream. What? Well, if you liked it, then you can unlike. What we do? Okay, we can use if the input is equal to this empty string. Kana. Oh no, we can, like, if it's not input. That also works. That also works, I guess. Just we can break and then outer label. Yeah, we can. It's only one line, so it's not necessary, but we'll just add it. We like to add these. So now, okay, it's yeah, like that. So if you don't enter anything, boom. If you cancel, cancel doesn't work like that. Do you have something for cancel also? Cancel. We'll just do this if it's not input. Cancel. Yeah. Let's just say what? Get down, bitch. Get the heck out of here. Get the hell out of here. Done. Empty, okay. What the hell is that? I'm like, whatever, I'll just take it. Whatever you enter, I don't care. It says like that. Yeah, so that was the thing. Oh my god. We are actually like taking in the prompt but not using input anywhere. It's just like, it's just there. This is the thing that's happening. So 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 2 1 1, it's like that. Okay. If the code above breaks outer looks down upwards for the label named outer and breaks out of the loop, so the control goes straight from asterisk line, like this line to here. Oh, it should be here, but it works. It can be anywhere. We'll take it like that. Okay, so the control goes straight from asterisk to alert done. We can also move the label onto a separate line. Still, mad respect, you can focus without me. Yeah. I see your I see your chats. That's my motivation. I can also move the label onto a separate line. I know that I'm not alone right here, so that's the motivation for me. But music is kind of distracting, when your chats are known too. Like, I have fun while reading, while replying to this. We can also move the label onto a separate line outer. Okay, so the continue directive. Okay, like we can do it like that too. It totally works. Your choice. Oh, this one looks fine. Damn. Okay. The prettier wants it like this, so we'll just keep it like this. The continue directive can also be used with a label. In this case, code execution jumps to the next iteration of the label loop. Labels do not allow to jump anywhere. Okay, so labels do not allow us to jump into an arbitrary place in the code. For example, it is impossible to do this. Break label and jump to the label below doesn't work. So break directive must be inside. Oh, like from outside of the thing. A break directive must be inside a code block. Technically, any labeled code block will do. Okay, it must be inside of it for it to work. Like, our label is over here. label thing is over here, and we are trying to break it over here. Like we have the break thing over here. No, not working. Let's try a continue. Like if it was like continue, would it skip this thing? What it's gonna skip? We'll have 3, you know, because that was very small like Mate. Okay. So like if I press this, like this should become, well, this should become 1 directly. Yeah, and now it should become 2 because we are not entering here. Like we entered, we did the thing, but you know, like a continue, just skip it, skip the whole thing. So we move on to the next iteration. Okay. Who the hell listens to music while doing something? While doing something? What do you mean? Many people does that. Listening to music while studying kills focus. If I was doing something like solving some math problems, I would have put music in the background, but yeah, I used to do that. But right now I'm learning, so I need my focus to be on this thing. A summary: we covered 3 types of loops. While the condition is checked before each iteration. Iteration, do while loop, the condition is checked after each iteration. For the condition, you know, actually this thing is gonna create an infinite loop. So okay, if there are no things inside here, the condition is checked before each iteration. Additionally, additional settings available to make an infinite loop. To make an infinite loop, usually while true construct is used. Such a loop, just like any other, can be stopped with a break directive. So yeah, you know, just remember, if you are making this, so use this if you want to. Okay. In case you are reading and needing an infinite loop, then you use this. I'm telling this to myself. Yeah, you can use other things too, but this one is easier, you know. If we don't want to do anything in the current iteration and would like to move forward to the next one, we can use the continue directive. Yeah, break continue support label before the loop. Break continue support labels before the loop. A label is the only way for a break continue to escape a nested loop. So if you wanna escape a nested loops, we use labels, and we can use breaks and continue with that, you know, kind of, you know, to escape a nested loop, you know. As a label is the only way to break continue to escape a nested loop or to go to an outer one. Okay. So last loop value. What is the last value alerted by the score? So you know, this is like 0. When it becomes 0, it will stop. So this thing, you know, first it's gonna 3. It will be 3 first. You know, like this thing update, you know, like, of course it's, you know, like I is equal to I minus 1, but you know, the value is assigned after the task, I guess, like that. So it will be 3, 2, 1. 1 will be the last one. enough, just do the thing. Okay, so we have I, which is 3. Oh, I can use, I can keyboard even in my mittens. Oh, so hi, be like these. Not really, but yeah, now I do. So first it will be 3 2 Nandora 1 will be the last one. Oh, please, oh, sorry. Alato, it happens every time. This thing stops working when I use loops. 3 2 1. As I told you, it will be 1. Every loop iteration decreases I by 1. The check while stops the loop at, so here it's I equals 0 here. That's what it means. I said it. Yeah. Hence the step of the hence the step of the loop form the following sequence. Loop. I listen to music doing something. I see. Yeah. While values does the while loop. For every loop iteration, write down which value it outputs and then compare it with solution. Just like my rejections from cute girls. Just like that loop. Where was I? Oh, that I did. Which values does the while loop show? For every loop iteration, write down which value it outputs and then compare it with the solution. For every loop iteration, write down which value it outputs and then compare it with the solution. So both loops alert the same value or not. So I Ndora. Okay, it will be like that. So here is 0, so it's gonna be 1. So 1, so it's going to be 1 2 3 4. It will be 1 2 3 4. But here the postfix form, so it will be 0 1 2 3 4. Here we have 4 values. Here we have 5 values, like 0 1 2 3 4. Here only 1 2 3 4. Yeah, if you want the details, you can read the things. Comparison, which one can you read? One of these. Yeah, I think this one. This you can read. What am I telling that to? Nobody is here to learn. That's I0. Okay, so why? Look, it's gonna do this. So it'll be 1 first. Roberto, ma Alberto qui can me. Roberto. We use log. Oh, just like. No, I'm dirty. I have a dirty mind. Ma 1 desene, 2 desene, 3 desene, 4. Ma stop that. Cringe. We'll just have this, okay? Yeah, of course I know that. We can change it to J. Goes JJ. Okay, and then we can add like, not like, we can add like this will be the output for this one, and this we can add a little bit of masala to it. Masala. Wait. Count. まあちょっと待ってね。Same goes here, but Hamid has. Is it has or have? Count the number of wives Hamid has. Hamid have. Like, okay. English grammar sucks. まあちょっと待ってね。Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot the most important thing. I don't want to upset Hamid. Hamid be like, what? Oh, eh? What? Isn't going to my? Eh? Fuck. Okay. Should be like that, but fuck you. The task demonstrates how postfix and prefix form can lead to different values. From 1 to 5. And from 1 to 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eh? One, two, three, four. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. What? It's not counting 0. Okay, but how's 5? तेरी बहन की तेरी क्या मतलब क्या ही है? What is doing? What's it doing? It prints only 4, but with alert, it's different. なんだこれなんだこれअबे रुक जाना तेरी है कि तेरी sorry I'm just I have a very bad tongue. Bad tongue this. So wives Hamid have 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, what the hell is this? Yo, it's wrong. Ah, 待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。Okay, I didn't change this condition over here. That's why. Okay, that's why. When you copy, you don't copy. Okay, every time when I work with loops, like I'm gonna have to, I have to refresh the page like this, to the page. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 webs, my children. Well, okay. That's surprising. Okay. The first value I is 1. Yeah, of course it's 1. Because plus I first increments I and then returns the new value. So the first comparison is I. I is not okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. And alert shows 1. Then follows 2 3 4. The value shows up one after another. The comparison always uses the incremented value. The comparison, okay, the comparison always uses the incremented value, because plus is before the variable. Okay, this is just stupid. Why would you even need this kind of thing? Finally I equals 4 and is incremented to 5. The comparison while 5 fails and the loop stops for 5 is not shown. Here the first value is again I. How the hell is it I if the postfix form increments like it increments first and then returns the value. First increments and then returns the new value. It assigns the first value. Like it should be 0. 0. The postfix form of I plus plus increments I and returns the odd value. So the comparison I plus plus will use I0 here. So I0 here. So yeah, okay, I'm thinking the same, like an analogy kana. Yeah, what I'm thinking is right. Like here is 0. Here is 0. Okay, so it's gonna return, but the thing here's like it's the 0, but we incremented it, so it's gonna print I 1 first and then it becomes 1. Okay, but here it's 2, it becomes 3, 4, it becomes 4, it's like 5, it's 5, it stops. At the 4th iteration it's actually the 5th number that's printing. Okay, sorry. Okay,だよね. First number is 1I, the postfix form of I plus plus increments I and then returns the odd value. Postfix form of I plus plus increments I and then returns the odd value. So the comparison I plus plus small less than 5 will use I is equal to 0, contrary to this. Okay, but the alert call I's value is 1. Okay, it's 1, but this thing is using the initial value which is 0. Okay, but actually here is first use the value then incremented, so we used it here, and here we have the incremented value to be shown in the alert. Then follows 2 3 4. Let's stop Now let's stop on I is equal to 4. The prefix form would increment it and used 5 in the comparison. Would increment it and use 5 in the comparison. But here we have the postfix for my plus plus, so it increments I to 5 but returns the old value. Hence the comparison actually. Hence the comparison is actually while 4 does this true, the control goes on to alert. The value I is the last one because on the next step, while 5 smaller than 5 is false. Boom, bitch. Okay, sorry. Which values get shown by the for loop. For each loop, write down which values it is going to show. Then compare with the answer. Both loop alert same values or not. Cute girls. Man, I want cute girls. Do cute girls exist? Or maybe I'm too ugly to get some. Bro, I ain't getting cute girls. That's for sure. Even one like girl. It's very fine. For each loop, write down which values it is going to show. Then compare with the answer. For each loop, write down which values it is going to show. Then compare with the answer. Both loops alert same values or not. Oh, だよね。何これ？何これ？ Okay, this is gonna happen after the thing. So here we do the thing. So I is 0. Okay, it's gonna print 0 first, 0 first. Okay, now I initialize the variable, check the condition, do the thing, then increment the batch. Sorry. Okay, it becomes 1. 1 is like that. Dum 1. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one will be a little different. I think it will be same. Yeah. Okay. 0, 1. We check the condition. Initialize condition. Do this. Then step. Increment. Step increment. Whatever. Let me see this. Okay. The answer from 0 to 4 in both cases. Yeah. Yo, that's what I thought. Yo. Okay, I said it. Okay, I said, what the hell am I? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because yeah, that's how it happens. Okay. First, initialize the variable. Then check the condition. Then do this part. Okay, we are not here. We execute the code first, and then we increment the value. Then we run the step, and goes back to the condition. Then run the code, increment, goes back to condition. Condition, run the code, increment, goes back to like that. Okay. I said it. Sorry, I'm just a little. I'm just a little scared. I'm scared. Yo, what's up, G? Yo, what's up, G? Yo, what's up, G? It's like we're like 38. Yeah, we ain't doing that. Stop copying. Now let's say what happens. We make our own things. Now you cannot say I copied the code. My alert is going to be a little stupid, so no, baby, no. I said no. Okay. Kalunam. One cute girl. Okay, it's going to be girls. Like that. Yo, I don't wanna disrespect though. 400. I know that's different one. No. Let me do it. Let me just have fun. Console.daddy. Console.log. Mate kudasai. E ora? Auntie number one. Auntie number She and feed, look at the thing. Just made something for you. Oh, mama. So I don't like 18 to 59. Okay, 38 to 59, and this is going to be 100 to 399. Yo, you here and field. Just for you, exposing you today. Spilling your beans. Spilling the beans. Let's go. Boom. 309 times as we got turned down by cute girls. 275. Damn. And field. That's a great number. 43 cute girls. Oh, too bad. No 69 cute girls. Only 59. Okay, man. Who laugh like that? Oh, I still have. Oh my god, I'm too slow. I'd put even numbers in the loop. Use the for loop to add put even numbers from 2 to 10. Ya nanda kore. Auntie number one. Okay, let's K is boy, sub boy ma, until K is okay. Yeah, my dog, the dog inside me that cannot help. Use the for loop to output even numbers only. So like if the remainder, K, that's the remainder. If it's not equal to this bitch, then we like, get the hell out of here. No, break the name, continue. I think I could just skip these. I just like that. No, don't question my judgment. Nothing number one. I didn't do anything though. Oh yeah. Console dot rejections. K is fine. Boy. 42468 TM. Is that what you want? Boy. Stop hawking at me. Well, yo, I added it my own way, Yeah, don't mess with me. That's it. Well, we are getting the same thing. Fine. This the color. Replace for with while. Rewrite the code changing the for loop to while without altering its behavior. अभी ये भी करना पड़ेगा यार. मैं दुख नहीं है. Like I'm tired. Mama, I'm tired. So boy, my alert, we don't use alert because we are not alert. We are allergic to alert. Dollar, yeah, dollar, doko dollar, koko this, and then this one. Okay, that's a bit cringe. Fine. Then we can have oh my lord. Whoa. What if we had like you can have double these, triple of these. Why can't we have triple of these? Does it do anything? Something? Yo, that's my language. Be like fuck off. JavaScript be like fuck off. What's that? Yo, I can see it. It's so cold. Nani desu ka? 012. Bitch. Like that. Okay, I changed that actually. It wanted me to show alert, but I printed it on the console. Also, this thing it wanted to be like, oh, I want this. I ain't doing that. My repeat until the input is correct. Oh, let's go. Write a loop which prompts for okay. I know that's a bit cringe. Write a loop which prompts for a number. Write a loop which prompts for a number greater than 100. If the visitor enters Hi, Jatin. Write a loop which prompts for a number greater than 100. If the visitor enters another number, ask them to input again. Again, bitch. Yeah, if that, we can have an if statement, and inside of if we can have a loop do. You know, वहाँ साथ में MBBS कर रही है थी. अच्छा, मॉस्को में यूक्रेन के ड्रोन ने उनके हॉस्टल को हिट कर दिया. Damn, too bad. Write a loop which prompts for a larger number. You know, like yeah. Okay, like we'll write a prompt first. Enter a number larger than 100 though, and then maybe like this Bechari. That too. Oh, that's sad. That's sad, man. That's very sad. Write a loop which prompts for a number. What loop can we use? If the visitor enters another number, ask them to input again, bitch, again. Or like, I need to write a loop though. We can write a do loop, you know. We have to do this thing first. How do you write a do loop, do while loop? Break the loop. Okay. Okay, we can have this, and then we can have a while loop here. Like, but now we can check the conditions over here. Okay. Then what we do is we can inside of it we can check for the if the given number, you know, we can assign it to let's do I, you know, we're gonna do I. If the I write a loop कल एग्जाम है भाई इंग्लिश का, मेरी फील्ड सेट हो गई है नॉट गेटिंग स्टडी go study. Write a loop which prompts for a number greater than 100. If the visitor enters another number, ask them to input again. Prompt larger than 100. Okay. Okay, can we do this? You know, if I ignore this. If I until I is smaller than 100. Then we'll keep asking for input until it's that, and then what we do is just ask them. The loop must ask for a number until the visitor enters a number greater than 100 or cancels the input enter, or not I kana, or is not I, you know. Let me run this. If mine is wrong, then I will run yours. Then we can print, you know. Cancel the input and enter empty. Here we can assume that the visitor only inputs numbers. There are no implemented special handling for okay. Console.log. Let's do this. Oh, I cannot use this. It declared, but it's okay. What about if I, you know, if I here I do that, is it fine now? 2 ma ki deri ki na. Okay, ma I should get out of the thing though. Okay, if it's or if it's I no Madayane. Wait a minute. If I do that, yeah, empty string, we don't want that. Okay, that always happens. Wait a minute. Oh ma, now it's got keep asking for numbers. 1000, like it prints that. Like that much is right. Okay. But let's say if I don't enter anything, like I should get out of the loop. Or if I cancel, man, these two things are not happening. भाई मुझे जापानीज नहीं आती, प्लीज़ इंग्लिश और हिंदी में यूज़ करो. ऐसा लग रहा है आप गाली दे रहे हैं जापानीज में. What am I using? Try this. Niche print type. What's that? J equals to 1. Huh? Let's J equal to 1. I don't get it. Read the question first. Yeah, I ain't using ChatGPT for this, and that's a kid's question. Okay, then, you know, like, this is fine. Yeah, oh, wait a minute. Okay, the loop must ask for a number until the either the visitor enters a greater number than 100 or cancels input or enters, and the loop must ask for a number until either the visitor enters a number greater than 100 or cancels the output and enters an empty line. Can't we do this? If it's If it's not I, then break the loop, you know. So okay, 100 is fine, but if like dude, you know, yeah, it's breaking that. Let's see the answer. Input to low. That's the input. Hey, what's up, Jackson? Another day, another study session. Hope your day has been very. My day just started and it's going alright. The moment, but it's very cold. I took the input, man. Jatin. That's the input here. Like JavaScript doesn't have that. You know, like you have the input thing. Like this is the input for JavaScript. I'm asking for the input. Okay, prompting it, and then the thing here, and then we are storing the thing over here. Then that. Let's see what's the thing. Run the demo. 2, 3. If it's 100, oh, then that. And if it's nothing, okay. I did it. Mine works the same. Well, mine has the same functionality, you know. ये स्टोरी देर में आता हूँ. चल कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, चल बाय. Have a good day, man. That's good. Anything new that you're finding interesting in this journey? Are you doing coding exercises? Yeah, I'm refreshing my JavaScript concepts through the site javascript.info, and yeah, just reading the articles, and yeah, at the bottom of these articles, you know, these blogs, we have like a few questions that I'm trying to do. Yeah, you know, so it can, like, I can build a little confidence in the language too. Because yeah, now I can understand complex things, but you know, I don't have that thing. Like, I cannot do things on my own. I have to look things. I can copy, I can understand, no problem, but I want to do things on my own. So that's the thing. That's good, and that's good, Jatin. Keep it up. Jatin, go just starting. What about you? How's your Japanese going, Jackson? Jack. I'm gonna call you Jack. Jackson, like, a bit hard for me to pronounce. Let num do, you know, like I did the same thing. I, and then hi, same thing, and while. Like, it's using these conditions, but I have this over here. Find the can use that too. Yeah, you know what? We'll have both versions of it. Oh my god, it's cold, man. Are you familiar with CS50? That's quite a good resource for intro to Python and C, but I'm not sure if I'd be on pace with you getting an immediate job, which is what I see you're doing. Yeah, you are doing the CS50? Oh. You know, I'm refreshing my JavaScript so I can, you know, I already know the language. already know the concepts, but yeah, just trying to learn the minute details. Yeah, so yeah, I can build that confidence that yeah, you can do it. Hi. Like this code is doing the same thing, and this is no, we'll get that job. Oh, did you also started the recently? Nee, man. That's cool. And it should be and, not or. I was stupid to use or last time. Yeah. I don't know. Yo, huck off. Huck off. Okay, if an empty gets out, cancel gets out. If it's 11, less than that. If it's 100, again ask for input. If it's 4,000, let's say, it prints the 4,000 and yeah, that's it. Output prime numbers. I studied earlier today, going to study more tonight. I'm in the library reading some beginners Japanese books. It's children's books, so it's quite funny, but at least I'm able to understand a good bit. No, that's a good thing. But I would I would recommend that don't stick to beginner books or children books. Just try to, take on the challenges, increase the difficulty day by day, and then boom, and it looks good on a resume. Yeah. Dang. Day by day, if you'll increase the difficulty, that's how we'll improve. Otherwise, you'll be stuck with the beginner material and never, even after months or years, you'll feel like, I haven't done much. Yeah, I have felt that. That's why I'm saying. Output the prime numbers. An integer number greater than 1 is called prime numbers. An integer number greater than 1. Okay, let's read the question first. An integer number greater than 1 is called a prime if it cannot be divided without a remainder, but anything except 1 and itself. So 1, 3, prime number like that. But I'm a math student. So that's 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 5, 7, 11. Those are prime numbers. Hi, this is in other words, n is greater than 1 is a number. In other words, n greater than 1 is a number, is a prime if it cannot be evenly divided by anything except 1 and n. Okay, 1 and n. For example, 5 is a prime number because it cannot be divided without a remainder, but 2, 3 and 4, write the code which outputs prime numbers in the interval from from this to this. Let's say like for n, then the result. So write the numbers. Okay. First, give me the n numbers. and then we can yeah, give me the an bitch, I ask. He be like, okay, here you go, you take this shit. Okay, a bit. Oh, this thing there, this thing on there. He be like, I be like, okay. Okay, the code should work for any n, not to be hard and for any fixed value. Okay, well, okay, we can have an n stored. Until oh my god, I don't know. Okay, I'll do it. For Anne, good advice. I have a lot of Japanese Nihongo no Shimbun in my apartment from my local Japanese superstore. They use a lot of kanji, so I tend to hit a roadblock quick. Yeah, that's good, man. Japanese Shimbun. I read a lot of news articles, but not from actual newspapers. But you have the access to newspapers. That's cool. I wish I had that. Let me do it on paper, you know. That's a bad thing. Suck. It sucks. Suck, bitch. Suck my dick. Sorry. Oh my god, I have. I don't know. So I have to wait. Here, I prompted. I get the number. What can I use it for? Bitch. To write the code which outputs prime numbers in the interval. Words n is greater than 1 and it cannot be evenly divided. So Usually people look behind a paywall. Also, that long video you meet with all of your resources already is really useful, especially the sites with the indie novels. Thanks for taking the time to do it. Well, like a lot of people ask me for that, so I thought I just should make a video about it. Though not a lot of views on it, but fine. Until it's an, you know. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah. Oh, mama. I'm thinking different. Man, it sucks. Oh, I see it. Oh, bitch. Oh. Yeah. That's like it. Whoa. Yeah, I think I found it. Yeah, you can I think it's it. It's it. Okay, fine. Took a while. It could be stupid. It might not work, but that's what I give it time. I guess it should work. It should work. Bitch. So if the condition is, it should be it definitely one of the best videos and most organized approaches to sharing info. Oh really? I just I bookmarked a lot of sites and then I just showed everything that I one by one. Not sure if it was organized or, but I guess. Okay, I should be greater than 1. Okay, that's our thing. I should be greater than 1. Like must be greater than 1. Okay, and the remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, remainder da yone. If it's not equal to 0, if it's not equal to 0, if it's not equal to 0, then it should console it. What you ask? We're gonna console I. We're gonna console our soul. So it should work. Sorry. Give me the n. So we ask for 10. 3579. だよね。 But 2 is the exception. 2 is exception, right? 2 is exception. If I equals to 2, I you know, yeah, it'll get me now. That's our Aちょっと待って。Fuck off. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if it's 2, it's gonna run. Otherwise, it should be these. Okay. So let's say we give number 299. Okay, man, that's a lot. That's very big. It's very big. Yo, no. Yeah, that's wrong. That's totally wrong. Yeah. We are looking for the prime numbers. I think you can divide this thing with. Can you divide it by? No. 7, 9, 11. 9 should not be there. I need to add one more and condition here. Yeah. Okay. It should only be. Why are so many? So if I by I divided by I 0 and I divided by okay. That's a stupid idea, but I wanna try it. Oh my god, that's fucking stupid. Yeah, that's so stupid. I want the code to work though. If it works, it's fine. Okay, let's go for 10. Oh, fuck off. Yeah, man, I give up. You're casually switching into 3 different languages while you study is so hilarious and genuinely cool to me. You're naturally funny. Your future co-workers, friends will like your appreciative. Yo, thanks, man. Thank you so much. Damn. Yeah, thanks for the kind words. Made my day. Yo, yesterday I had someone like I streamed for 6-7 hours and somebody commented some very shitty comment, so yeah, my day was ruined. But thanks for your comment. Yeah, it's hi. No, loop inside a loop. You can do that. Sorry, man. It's just cool. What's cool though? Like, we don't care about this. That's oh. So we take the I first. Oh, it should start from 2. Oh yeah, it should start from 2. For each I. Yeah, until it's equal to Diana. And if I don't know what what the hell is it? So for again we have another loop, which is J2 looks for a divisor. Oh, okay. So dividing. Oh, we're dividing the thing. Okay, looks for a divisor. So if I then it'll continue. Not a prime number. Go. Oh. Okay, let's do this code and this. Let's try. After this, try another. Like, let's try to do some other. Let's try to do it. This thing with some other approach. Let's hope that we can do it. Mama, let I. It's gonna start from here. Hi, and I as mark. Plus. Okay, so so for each I, from it starts from 2 and goes to n. So it's for each I. Let's for each I, and then we're looking for a divisor. Okay, so let J from 2 oh yeah okay tell it तेरी आंखें मुलाकाते yeah, we don't need to check that condition because I think a number is always divisible, like it with itself. So we don't need to check that that thing, so we can have this condition. J smaller than I. Look for a divisor, and if if I if I if the remainder is equal to 0, then it's a prime number. Okay, and we can use labels. So prime label. Okay, now not a prime label. Nanora. We're gonna have this, and then we can just skip the loop. More continue. Skip the label. Yeah. Hi, there now. Not a prime number. Get the hell out of here. like that. Not a prime. Shoe. So like that. So skip. Yeah, ma ikkada. Kedo sa alarto, ma alarto not allowed. Iだよね. That's n. We have n. So we prompt n. Okay, I'm like 20. Give 20. So 2 is there. Hi. Hi. So this. If it's divisible by 17. मार देना है मैंने मार देना है किसी को. नहीं अब आया तेरे को क्या हो रहा है. सट के लगे भाई. Can we try a different approach? These questions aren't gonna do nothing but your first. Yeah, this thing is bothering me. Forward loop. Then divisor. I to 20 तक सारा से सबसे कटता है. छोले पटाटा है. छोले पटाटा है ये था. इनार का छोले पटाटा है. Soなんだこれ. Okay. So let's say like we have i's value is like 4. Okay, we take 4. Then we enter this loop. I is 4 here. Forget about the other iterations. I is 4. We are on the iteration where the i's value is 4. Then we enter this loop. What we do is we check is I less than if j starts from 2. So if I less than 4, of course we enter this. We check for the condition. And so I is 4, and then we are giving the thing. I is 4 and this is 2. So is the remainder equal to 0? Yeah, of course. We skip it. Boom, bitch. Get the hell out of here. Like we don't want 4. 4, go to hell, like that. Then 4 is not in the list, right? Yeah, we just skip 4 totally. Like we don't wanna do anything. We have nothing to do with 4 anymore. 4 is not a prime number, so up. Now we go into 5. Yeah, okay. 5 we compare over here. So okay, check the condition. Yeah, of course it's gonna run this. Let's see what happens over here. So I is our 5 with 2. We do that. No, it's not equal to 0. Okay, again it goes. Okay, again this is the thing that's happening. So again it we increase. Okay, this thing increases, right? 2 becomes 3, and then 3 we try to divide 3 by 5 and compare its value to 0. If it's not equal to this, fine. increase G's value. It's 4 now. 4 divided by 5, like it gives the remainder. So it's the remainder equal to 0? No. Again, so again 5 is G is increased. G's value is increased from 4 to 5. We satisfy this condition. Oh yeah, oh no, that block, oh no, you cannot run the code anymore. So this thing is over, and then this thing runs. So we print the value of I, which is 5 over here, and then we do that. Why am I explaining things? Bitch, I want to do it some other way. Is there any other way? Can't do. Oh God, fine. Yeah, it's fine. Why we screen? Oh, let's see study buddies. I like looking at the comments. They're funny. I guess they are. Yeah, on the first few articles, the starting articles, you see the people looking for a study buddy. Not here, because here on these articles people are actually want to learn things. Yoksh, Glees goes hard. What you mean? Get a loot of the sky, law, bro. Never been complimented before. Nah, bruh, never been complimented before. Yoksh, please go hard. Take it easy, Yoksh. I've got to go. Yeah, bye, Jack. Bye. Have fun. Hi, Enfield. Last night, I was watching you do your cards, and then you were doing bumper, I guess. And then I just went to I just closed my eyes for 2 minutes, and I woke up in the morning. True, I haven't ever been complimented. Some few make my Steins Gate do the convention. Then have a good day. This guy, you made me laugh, so this you're complimented. What does that Yoksh, Glaze goes hard? Nanda kore. Yeah, I'm a beginner. You too, Jackson Sama. Does glaze mean in slang? Giving someone too much praise, especially when it feels unnecessary, fake, or exaggerated. It's like being overly supportive to the point where it looks forced or something. Okay. Compliment in the sense like fake compliments. Yeah. Come on. I'm just happy, even if somebody gives me fake compliments. No. But I know Jackson's compliments were genuine, so I take it. Man, it's fucking cool. His Jackson's an elite Japanese learner as well. Yeah, he started N0. Well, he's also been learning, but I think it's Kanken one pass hai. That you can ask to him himself. Himself? To him? Okay. I'll stop. Damn, man. It's frigid cold. She goes. He's gone. He's busy actually. Being productive. Yeah. Of course people have. Like me right now. Yo. Aren't you working? Aren't you at your work? Yeah, but work doesn't give me Japanese gains. So it's useless to my happiness. Yeah. Let's say if you become like a native speaker, close to a native fluent Japanese speaker, what's after that? After that, what you gonna do? I do not output. Start outputting. You do output on my streams. There's no other reason. I learned Japanese to be more based in otaku. I stream for 1 hour. Good for you. Amit from Nepal. Jibak Tera. Then ki kat plus the book cap. Oh, damn. Kanken level 1 soon. You learn Japanese to get a job. I learn Japanese to understand what the anime girls are saying. We are not the same. I mean, my goals are different, but it's the goal that are different. Destination is same. V's. The path is the same. It's the destination that's different. Goals are different, but means are similar. Yeah. Hi. I also started learning Japanese console. Who's asking you? Well, I didn't start learning Japanese because of anime. I was watching anime, but English dubbed. Because never feel the need. Never felt like, oh, I should learn Japanese. So I could understand anime. I started the language just so that I can get a job. And can, it's easier if you know the language, then you can. So I'm gonna guess you didn't install Steinkate, though I literally set it up in front of you. I downloaded it. Don't worry. And for your amusement. And embarrass myself. It was W Gates. Hakkai. I will never forget. Okay. Jibakte na. Jibakte ro. इससे रम क्यों? Yo, that's a stupid joke. No, the visual novel. Are you guys still talking about Stan Geese anyway? No, the visual novel. The 2015 edition. My eyes saw how you read. The Yo, the terror pop-up during the read was hilarious. Yeah, it was hilarious. Yeah, now I have counter. When you will say that I'm into and I read like this, how did I pass into? I have a counter now. I've heard you read. Damn, so good. You were so good. Damn. I was mesmerized. I was blown away. Are you glazing my reading or calling me ass? Yo. この何これ皮肉やろ貧肉やろ許さんぞ You're being so sarcastic, I can tell. Yo. No, I was impressed that you knew a lot of words that I couldn't read. But yeah. But you were talking about the reading speed. I saw how fast you can read. Yeah. That was amazing. Damn, like a bullet train. Uh-huh. Hamid, do you know how fast he does? How fast he reads? Like a bullet train. This guy also stream? No. Relax, bro. Didn't know. Mugo. Yeah, I'm saying it like I don't know words. I don't know as many words as you do. But you're reading damn. Bro, I read like 12k an hour. That's decent. I never counted mine. But I'm sure my heart's on and my reading speed both are better than yours. Yeah, I might get stuck because of not knowing many enough vocab. No, yeah, but I was genuinely surprised. Like, you're good, man. Okay, Mr. Neat. Yo, I was just joking. Sorry, I didn't have an infinite free time. I see that. Don't you? But of course you don't have enough time, but you can just listen to things while working. Fine. Not glazing. Listening doesn't improve my reading speed, sadly. Listen more. Yeah, read more then. Just read more. Yeah, your grammar was also good. Damn. Your grammar and the number of vocab that you know. Wow. I mean, realistically, if I double or triple my time, yeah, learned, I'll be decent. Yeah. यहाँ मेरे को इग्नोर मारा जा रहा है. No, we are not ignoring you, bro. Learned, I'll be decent eventually. Yeah, of course. Yeah, yesterday I listened to myself. My accent is not. It sucks. Bro, it sucks. Bro, shit is such a grind. Question: how you know this guy reading skills Yokes? Because I talked to him. That's why. Man. Oh, I thought he owns YT channel. Oh no. No, we had a Discord call, that's it. I have no idea how he looks. I think it was my first time talking to a native speaker of English. Before this, I've talked to a lot of people. That fucking install took my whole night. But it was not that late for you. But yeah, took an hour. Bruh. Dang. Took a fucking hour. Yeah, but I lost like 2-3 hours. Not 2. It was only like 1 hour of installing thing and then 1 or 2 hours off. And then for the other 2 hours, I think we were doing the cards and all that. Reading stuff. I thought you were Japanese. You're from States. 1 or 2 hours is like 1/4 of my free time, unironically. Well, you said you knew what you were doing. Well, yeah, the link didn't work, so the thing didn't work. It was not in the language. File. Bro, the fuck I can't. Yeah. The switch statement. Well, yesterday I did a lot. I streamed, then I recorded a video, then I talked to you. Then I couldn't stay awake, so didn't realize when I fell asleep. Also, as if people play visual novel in English, it reads so cornily. Yeah. Cornily. You know, a lot of the true meaning is lost in the translations, just to make it appealing to English audience. They twist the things, and it's not. You're reading the thing, but it's not the actual one. Okay. What am I doing? Hi. The switch statement. Switch statement can replace multiple if check. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my Yankee. Literally wasting time here. Yeah, man. Do whatever you like. Hi. Conking one soon. The switch statement can replace multiple if checks. It gives a more descriptive way to compare a value with multiple variants. A switch statement can replace multiple if checks. It gives a more descriptive way to compare a value with multiple variants. The syntax. The switch has one or more case blocks and an optional default. So switch case value if x is equal to value 1. Okay, the break is optional. Option kana? A switch statement can replace multiple if checks. Okay. It gives a more descriptive way to compare a value for multiple variants. Okay. The switch has one or more case blocks and an optional default. Okay. Hi. It looks like this. Okay. The value of x is checked. Value of x is checked for strict equality to the value from the first case. Is it equal to this? Strict, strict equality check. It's this. That is value 1. Then to the second value 2. Second value 2, and so on. If the equality is found, switch if the equality is found, switch starts to execute the code starting from the corresponding case until the nearest break or until the end of switch. If no case is matched, then the default code is executed. If it doesn't satisfy any of these cases, then the default code this here, it gets executed. An example is switch. The executed code is highlighted. So a 2 plus 2, we are checking. Is it this? No. Is a equal to 3? No. 4? Of course, exactly. Break, and then we break, get the hell out of here, like that. Here the switch starts to compare a from the first case variant that is 3. The match fails. Then 4, that's a match, so the execution starts from case 4 until the nearest break. So let's say if we had, between the break and this line we had like 20 lines of code, so the code gets executed, and after, when we hit the break, what you call this, break, when we hit the break, we just get out of here. If there is no break, then the execution continues with the next case without any checks. Okay. If there is no break, then the execution continues with the next case without any checks. Okay. Without any checks. So it's gonna, let's say if we didn't have this, just gonna continue without the checks. I mean, this, like, it doesn't matter what, like, it's not gonna check this. It's just gonna execute these codes. Huh? Is that what it means? Let's see. Yes. Hi. Ironically. Hi, so let's see. Let A equals to the 7, say, or 7 is a lot. Fuck that, I ain't doing that. Ikana, sorry. Let's write a switch case. Okay, that's A, and then case 1. Let's start with 1. As it is, then we do like alert. Tere papa. Case 2. Tere kaka, like. Tere mama, like that. Break it like a shamming. Tere nana, as a, like that, In case 5 be like, no. So don't worry, guys. I know. Teri maka, like that. We can have a default then, which is like, अच्छा बेटे, अच्छा बेटे. like that. No, sorry this html.html. Yeah, I do that. Don't know about you. Don't care about you. Who the hell are you? Go. Is it like one section I could do? So click this on. Oh my god. Ah, mama. Yeah. Look at that. Maitana. Look at this. Hamid isn't passing in 4. If you agree, like this tree. That's funny for me. Yeah. Lol. Well, if you like, that's a good way to get likes on stream. The more the likes, the higher the chances of him not passing in 4. Machida. Oh, wait a minute though. I got Terranana. If it didn't have this, the Terranana, Terimaka, Terranana and Terimaka. Or Terimaka also has this. So Terranana, Terimaka. अच्छा बेटे सोच अच्छा बेटा हाँ भाई अभी ऐसे तेरी नाना तेरी माँ का अच्छा बेटा yeah, that's funny, man. Hi. What are you saying? Chikusho. 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 Yeah. Don't know. Okay. In the example below, we'll see sequential execution of 3 alerts. Lol. Cha. Alert. Exactly. Alert. Too big. Alert. I don't know such values. भाई टॉयलेट आ रही है करके आता हूँ. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Any expression can be any expression can be a switch case argument. Both switch and case are arbitrary expressions. वरना chat में for example, let A equals to string of 1 and then B is 0. Any expression can be switch case argument. Anything, like, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter though. Doesn't matter though. Doesn't matter though. This doesn't run. Okay, and compare it to the next level. Boom, bitch. I know that. Oh, fuck me. I know that. Let chick 34. Why do I have these numbers? Let show chick show. Chick show. Like two. Got it, boy. You got it, boy. Be like, check. What's up, check? We be like, number check. We be like this. We be like this. We be like this. Kiss. Be my show. Pura se bang. Bang. पगड़ा पाले आजा तेरी दादा बोल रहा था ले भगड़ा पाले आजा genuinely bitch I ain't running. Is it like bitch I ain't running? Suck up. We like these. Suck up. तेरे नाना की ज़्यादा बोल रहा है क्या साड़ा है like that. We use it like that. Now you get it. What I was saying. We can have a comment over here where we say that this thing is same as plus check. Plus check. Oh, plus check. Plus check. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. क्या बोल रहा है bro. Grouping of keys. Grabbed so cases. पूरा 1 लीटर करके आया रहा भाई साहब. Grouping of keys. Grouping of keys. Several variants of keys which share the same code can be grouped. For example, if we want the same several variants of keys which share the same code can be grouped. For example, if we want the same code to run for keys 3 and keys 5, we can do this. जाओ अब स्ट्रीम को मैं हैंडल करता हूँ, टॉयलेट करके आ जाओ. अच्छा यार मेरे को लग भी गया, मुझे भी लग गया भाई अभी तो. ये बोलते ही भाई तू क्या बोल रहा है भाई. ये तेनू कैसे पता? मैनू टॉयलेट तो लग रही है. ज़्यादा बोल रहा है छोरा है. मारा माता सटक ले लाया, ये मेरा माता सटक ले लाया, समझा ना. जाओ करके आ जाओ, मुझे सब बताया. तेनू की बताया बाय. गलत बात है. गलत बात है जी. ऐसे कैसे कर दिया है, ऐसे कैसे कर दिया जी. हमें अच्छा नहीं लगा. चलो नारा आजा. Copy that, you know. आओ ट्विस्ट करे हर सुबह नहीं. Next would be yay. Ooh, like that. Bitch, I'm too funny. Oh well, I'm sorry. Well, आपका छोटू फ़ोन में सिग्नल सेंड कर रहा है. आओ ट्वर्क करें. हैं क्या बातें कर रहा भाई तू गंदी. Yeah, these dirty talks. I ain't a fan of that. Bruh. Stop with your dirty ass talks. You don't know what you're talking about there. La 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 la, like that. Okay, we can have these, and then we have break ब्रिक दिसते नहीं है डिफॉल्ट था मैंने चल निकाल साड़िया चल निकाल तेरी बहन की तेरी ऐसे ऐसे मैं कर देता हूँ चल निकाल चल निकाल बॉस के उनका प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है सैड छोटू भाई मर जाएंगे जाओ उनका प्रेशर क्या What are you talking, man? What are you talking about? Does anyone of your family watch your stream? Yeah, my dad. My father watches my streams. Yeah, don't talk like that, man. Otherwise, he's gonna beat my ass. लाल सच में नीचे देख रहे हो अभी तो सो रहे हैं ना अभी तो 5 बज रहे हैं भाई ओ 5 बज गई Oh, it's 5 a.m. right now. I can kill some humans. Okay, sorry. That's what I do. I watch stream. लाल सच में नीचे देख रहे हो हाँ सच में नीचे देख रहे हो क्या क्या देख लिया मैंने ट्विस्ट करे That is called gripping off 2 cases. I watch your stream like your father. What's that mean? Don't do bad talks. Damn. Does anyone of your family watch your stream? Do you know English, bro? Did you understand what I said? I didn't say it like that. I ain't doing dirty talks with no one body. I was just replying to your questions. You asked if anybody from my family was watching the stream. I said, when my father watches my streams, but right now it's 5 a.m. 5 in the morning, so now he's asleep. But he's gonna beat my ass if he sees these chat. These kind of people are coming here and talking, doing dirty talks. He's gonna make it red. Damn. And then I won't be able to say it for 5 months. Okay, it takes 5 months to heal. If somebody beats your I knew about grammar. Maybe that's grammar. Maybe that's why. That's what I say. The way does your stream? Does your father know you use bad words on stream? Yeah, I didn't use bad words. When did I use bad words? Wow. You know, I'm 24. Doesn't matter. Of course. He doesn't like. He doesn't scan through my streams. He's just like, oh, he's streaming. Okay, fine. I'm 24. Yeah, I'm 24, buddy. Now 3 and 5 show the same message. Oh, そうですかそうですかतेरी सॉरी पता नहीं क्या ही है भाई मुर्गी उर्गी आ रही है आज ताल निकल भोस के yeah that was funny ताल निकल भोस के वाह कह रही है ब्रो अपनी ग्रेजुएशन किस कोर्स में करी मैथ में करी मैंने बारह बाल खा लिया मैंने That's what I say. You use bad words. चल निकल भूस के Yes, math. Of course. So good. बारे क्या है ये मैंने ना कर देना है मैंने मर्डर कर देना है मैंने किसी का मारे अंदर आत्मा आ गया है मारूंगा मैं कोई ना बारे के है बाल घुस गए हो हमारे मुंह में मेरी मैथ बेकार थी वरना मैं भी करता कॉलेज में सब गर्ल्स फैन होगी ना कॉलेज गया ही नहीं मैं कॉलेज वॉलेज नहीं जाता था मैं तो मारे को क्या करना है कॉलेज से टाइप मैटर्स Let's emphasize that the quality check is always strict. Yo, batch. Then from where? Irregular थे या distance study? No, मैंने लॉकडाउन में करा था तो in the lockdown like I couldn't go to college and I didn't even like going there. Bro, by the way bro, आपकी height कितनी है? I'm almost 6 feet. Almost. Okay. Almost like that. Type matters. Let's emphasize that the equality check is always strict. The values must be the same type to match. For example, consider prompt entering and we gotta enter a value them and a non-value. So goodbye. Seriously? खाओ मम्मी का दम क्यों खाऊं भाई लगता नहीं हूँ क्या मैं don't I look I'm like I'm tall don't I look like that पापा की कसम खा लो Nope, not playing with that. But I am almost 6 feet. Why would I lie? Enter the value. Enter the value. Value. Okay, like value. 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 Enter the value, bitch. Comma. Sorry, this and a. But it's optional, you know. But fine, this करा. मुझे देख के लगा 5657. अबे 510 है बस ना मत. इसमें हंसने वाली क्या बात है भाई? No, but I'm 6 feet. Almost. Almost. Damn. Do I look short? Fucking hell. Okay, I'm just gonna, this time I will just copy the code. One, two, का 4. Four, two, का 1. My name is Lakhan. Like that. मैं अभी शूज पहन के 6-7 हो जाता हूँ. Damn, maybe you brought up in a Christian school, that's why your English is so good. Stop. How do you know? I'm actually Christian. Yosh, that's my name. I'm Christian. But I don't believe in God, so I'm fine. Fine, that's me. मारे थे ना कुछ ना हुए. मैं मारू हूँ लाते. Wait, what's that? Alert, that's my. Oh, I'm right. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I'm Christian too. Wait, can't you sense it from my name, Yosh? Four, two, का 1. My name is Lakhan. My name is तेरी बहन की. अरे ये तो सा. Name is Lakhan. चल निकल. X2 कर देता हूँ इसको वैसे. यार है ना, संत के भाई बेकार है. कचुना पड़ा है ऐसे बात में. Be ancestry. I'm good Hindu, but I love Christian and faith in God. I don't believe in God. मुझे लगा आप रियल नेम इज योगेश होगा, नेम चेंज करके योगेश कर दिया. Well, you're wrong. You know, my parents were smart. They used a name like that doesn't sound it like that sounded unique, but when you wrote it on paper, you know, like it looked almost like the other, like, you know, like very normal, not so like Robert, like that. So that's why it's fine. Kazuchi, I'm atheist, but I believe in God. What kind of atheist is that? Atheist means Gnostic. जो believe नहीं करता. You're lucky you born in Christian family. और क्या बात करता है भाई तू? गलत बात. That's a wrong thing. Buddy, enter the value, bitch. Enter the value. This is let's say if we have like 1, but like 1 2 ka 4. So you know what, like I want it to be 4, so I can be like 4 2 ka 1, you know, like that. Get the hell out of here. मेरे स्कूल में था एक बच्चे का नाम हेनरी डेक्ट. हम सब उसे डेक बोलते हैं. अब फील होता है फालतू में बोल देते. साड़ो तुम लोग, बच्चे का मजाक उड़ाते हो. Like if I say 3, because this thing returns a string, but here they, you know, in its switch case we have strict comparison, strict what you call this, no, yeah, quality check is very strict, like triple triple that. So it's not gonna print this. Instead it will be like it will print this thing. An unknown creature, get the hell out of here, man. The hell out of here, boy. Stop, boy. No. Get the hell out of here, boy. An unknown creature, get the hell out of here, boy. You unknown creature. You. You unknown creature, get the hell out of here, boy. Either आपका full name क्या है, bro? Yoksh. How's like that? You like that? Yoksh. How about that? I ain't disclosing my full name here. Yokes D'Souza. You can call me anything. I'm just Yokes. Yokes de Lama. What about that? Yokes de Lama. Call me Pablo Escobar. Yeah, like this is 2. No, 1. 1 2 ka 4. Then we have like 4 2 ka 1.いやちょっと待ってくださいちょっと待ってね面白いいや なんだこれ。तेरी माँ का लखन तेरी माँ को I will call you Ashmi without him. Oh, धर्म चेंज कर दिया मेरा. Match the overshire. Match kayo. Ma, we have to write the switch into NF. अरे नहीं, just get it. But I like that. अरे so good bye. But नींद आ रही है. But collect yeah. Study man. Stop wasting your time. I'm also very slow, but no, not. But yeah, I'm doing something. Like study, bro. YouTube has nothing. But rewrite this switch into an F. Write the comma. I have to rewrite that thing. What am I doing? आपकी हंसी सुन के ईयर्स में दर्द हो रहा है. चलो लर्न कर लो, मैं आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. क्या कर लूँ? मामा चोट्टोねえちょっとですね. I miss like it means. Oh, we got if else. If else. टॉयलेट काफ़ी देर से नहीं करी है ना आपने. Okay, let me read it. चलो कर लो, चलो दिन कर लो, मैं आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. क्या टॉयलेट काफ़ी देर से नहीं करी ना आपने. आता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. भाई अबे क्या है भाई. अबे क्या है भाई तू. बेचारी टॉयलेट मर जाएगी. अरे भाई भाई इसको कैसे करना है भाई इनके बच्चे को. browser we check it like this bitch. Edge. I was like that. Tomato dash. Alert. Boon. नंजो को उस बेचारे की जान निकल जाएगी. बूंद बूंद करके पूरे क्लोथ्स गीले हो जाएंगे. वैसे भी 24 की उम्र है. मैं कहाँ ये कंट्रोल होता होगा. ओल्डर पर्सन. क्या बातें कर रहा है. You've got the edge. You've got the edge. You've got the edge. Oh. I don't need a break here. याद आ रहा है तेरा. अब इसको यहाँ पर ब्राउज़र पर करना है। साले को मारूंगा बहुत, पकड़ पकड़ के चाटे पे चाटे। Then I do that, then I say bitch, and he be like alert, alert, be like you've got the bitch. Macho tomatana, you got the bitch. Let me make it big. Big and thick. ज़्यादा मत हंसो वरना सच में वैसे भी और आप तो पीसी यूज़ कर रहे हो, डायरेक्ट सर्किट बोर्ड से कनेक्ट, ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टेड होगा। वह क्या बातें कर रहा है तू? मूत की बात याद दिला के मूत लगने लग गया अभी मैनू। याद आ रहा है तेरा प्यार। यार इनने है ना, जूली 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 आजा आजा आजा, जूली जूली जूली। else if or I've got the bitch, you've got the bitch, you've got the bitch, you've got the 6, I've got the 7, 6, 7. साइड वाली बोतल में कर दो, बाद में काम भी आ जाएगा। वह तेरी है। भाई मेरी बोतल के बारे में कुछ मत बोल भाई। गुस्सा आ जाएगा मन में ना, ज़्यादा बोल रखा पाड़ के तेरी। ओके कोई ज़्यादा बोले तो उसके ऊपर फेंक देना, बस बाद में वो आपकी भी फेंक देगा। हैं, वो आपकी भी फेंक देगा, आपको भी फेंक देगा। अच्छा ज़्यादा बोल रहा है क्या पैण की तरी? Else be like get the hell out of here, get the hell out of here. Boy, stop fucking with me. You die. Yeah, who laugh like that? Who like क्या ही है? Ballu, enter the ballu bitch. मत करो फाइन। That a browser is equal to prompt. Prompt दस नहीं, prompt. अरे लाडले अरे You shouldn't watch reels, man. अरे लाडले क्या चाहिए तन्ने? अरे fucking hell. We can like go. Oh, fuck it यार. लाडले क्या चाहिए थे? गु भाई साहब खतरनाक. ज़्यादा रहेगी तेरी हेड. Oh my god. Fuck. Fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, look at this thing. Go away. Mama. हाय अल्लाह, हाय अल्लाह, मैं तो टूट गया. Why did it say that though? I think it's wrong. But why did it say that though? अरे ला रिक्शन. कहते हैं कमेंट पढ़ता हूँ. अब क्या क्या पढ़ रहा है भाई तू? क्या क्या बीएड पता नहीं क्या क्या. रुक जाता. भाई तो भाई आपको बीएड नहीं आती क्या? शेव कर लेते हो? हाँ शेव कर लेता हूँ मैं. मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती बीएड. आई डोंट लाइक बीएड. ब्रो जनरल क्वेश्चन. भाई मत करो. अपना हरियाणवी की ऐसी तैसी कर दी. भाई मत करो. आपने हरियाणवी की ऐसी तैसी कर दी. ये सच में फनी. सोचो वेबसाइट में एंटर होते ही लाडले के चाहिए तन्ने. अरे भाई क्या क्या जने ना खे चाहिए तन्ने. अरे लाडले के चाहिए तन्ने. अरे भाई साहब कर भाई ज़्यादा बोल रहा है क्या? बैठ की तेरी. that was so much. अरे बस कितना ऐसा के. अरे भाई sorry ですけどありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうですね。अरे लाडले क्या चाहिए तो? क्या चाहिए तुमने? गु ज़्यादा बोल रहा है क्या? ऐड की तेरी. चलो मैं जा रहा हूँ पढ़ने. थोड़ी देर में आऊँगा. Did you find it funny? I think, oh my god, that was not funny. What am I even checking for here? Oh, I should have It should be like that. Oh. Actually, the other portal can pan. Yeah, it's gonna do that, cause it's not like that. No. It's wrong. It's wrong, but it was funny. 1,000% it's funny. Okay, yeah. I thought it was not funny. I was laughing at. I was laughing at my own stupid jokes. That was fucking funny. That's how you make study funny. Study funny, man. Okay, that was cringe. I did the same thing. I thought the same thing. Oh, but I need to do that. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I'm checking a strict conversion here, bro. I don't be like, no. I'm not like. Move it like that. No. It's oh. Oh my god. What is that? This is fucking funny. This is so funny. Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh mama, I'm so fucking fun. Oh mama, I'm so fucking funny. Get it? Well, let's try it again. It's fine now. You die. You die. You die. Like that. Kiosk. You die. Like that. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Next question. Write if into switch. Oh, now if into switch. I'm gonna switch it. I can switch it. Let's switch it. Nani? Ma, I know that's a little dirty, but I am dirty. Well, fuck that, you know, I do it my way. You ask me why? You don't ask me, I'm a very dangerous man. You ask why? You lose your deck. That was not funny. Sorry. No, I'm a piece of shit. Hi, desuそうですね。どうするif no if, okay. We'll look for just like that. We getting paid. Just like that. We getting paid. Oh, just like that. Ooh. Oh, sorry. That was cringe. And it is cringe. I am cringe. Maybe I was a Grinch. Wish I was. Sure, color. Case 0 1 duck 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 da 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 sorry. Okay, that. Why am I making ugly faces? Oh, you're already ugly. Mama, why am I ugly? Oh, I'm gonna have same as like that. What this boy told me to. Babe. Can we skip the bro thing? Now default. Is it allowed though? My default just it can just return, you know, a break like default just like doesn't give anything. I ain't giving you a thing. No thanks. No thanks. What a fine. Like that's 1. We get 1. What about 10? What we get? We get nothing. So ma. Dion now. Now you come to me, baby. Oh no, sorry. That's 2. 2, 2, 3. Okay. Let's like 229 911 6. Okay, sorry. It does nothing. It just goes out like that. Oh, bro, I know everything. I'm just so good. Oh, you can skip default. Please note that break at the bottom is not required. But if we put it to make the code future proof, in the future there's a chance that we'd want to add more keys. For example, keys 4. And if we forget to add a break before it, at the end of case 3, there will be an error. So, that's a kind of self-instruction. Okay, that's a kind of self-insurance. Insurance? I don't need any insurance. So default is like, I don't care if you put me there or not. Like, oh, if no case is matched, then default code is executed. Default code is executed. Multiple lines. Well, let's remove default. Let's see what happens after that. Boy, what the hell is that, boy? What the hell's wrong with you? Why is it returning 0? Though shouldn't. We didn't enter anything. My empty string is 0. Oh, empty string, and then we are doing it, so empty string is being turned into 0. That's a wrong thing. No, that's not good. What plus? What's the difference between these and these? And it is just a mistake. Wahululu. Hollywood. Hollywood. What? Why? Like, they have the same thing, so they wanted me to replicate it. Okay. I did that. Now don't care about the why is it showing this, that this is it functions. It has the same function, same thing it's doing. So I guess by default is optional. Ethanol, I guess. Default is ethanol.
錯覚さなんてこった何 Okay, sorry. I'm just fucking ass.なんだお前こら Okay, switch keys we have done in the functions, function expressions allow. Out of functions, the basics, and then what we do? Well, actually, yeah, a basic arithmetic, logical, nullish, what it does, I forgot. Let's rewind it, review it. The list coalition operator is written as 2 question marks. It treats null and undefined similarities. Similarly, we'll use a special term here. In this article for brevity, we'll say that a value is defined when it's neither null or nor defined. So if it's undefined, it's gonna look for this one. What if both are undefined? What's gonna happen then? Who knows? Breaking news. Which is fine, you know? Anonymous. Not. We can have like our own thing. What if we don't give it that? What if we don't give this thing? No, that's just right, dude. Cause like that's just undefined and correct wrong. Anonymous this What about we don't have this either? What about that? Let me run it with that. Undefined and embedded page add. So it if it's not that, then it says that let's change it to no. Oh, if nothing is defined, in these. Oh, of course it's this one, man. That's why. I know that one. Which undefined. Okay, it does the same thing. Okay, if not undefined or null, okay, if it doesn't have if it's null or undefined, it goes to this. Do you have something? No. Do you? No. Well, do you? Whatever. It's just like that. Yo, don't say I. Ma. Functions. Oh my god, my legs hurt. Ain't that enough for a day? I've done too much. Too much. I wasted too much of my time today. I found a verb for me and you. Da. The world beautiful and sweet, follow my lead. Okay, it's fine. I'm deciding if I should close this stream or not. Thinking about it. I think that's it for coding. I'm not in the mood today. I'll study some. I'll do some junkie. I'll do some Anki. Anki time. Anki time. Anki no shikan desu. Bye bye.